पयलीं public undertaking आशिल्लो. I never used to disclose to anybody. I used to submit a report, and the report is open. Report, then you get that report.
No, but when you talk about NEP, how it is the system?
No, we have taken first topic was NEP. But we said we will find out what is their estimate, what are their requirements. So we scrutinize their budget, everything like that.
2 कोटी budget दोल्ल्या. Only 2 crores budget, and that too for academic support. मुझे 2 कोटी academic support for nursery जाल ना. Now we are only looking at nursery. आणि नर्सरी जी आहा ते सगळ्यो रेजिस्टर्ड आहाय. पयलीं गव्हर्मेंटा अंडर असो नाय न्हू. तांकां सगळ्यांक रेजिस्टर करपा लायले जितल्यो नर्सरी रेकॉग्नायज करपाक जाय म्हणून. पूण तांकां रेकॉग्नायज करपाक जाय जाल्यार एक स्ट्रक्चर आसपा जाय न्हू. क्लासरुमा सायज आसपा जाय कितली आहा, हाव यू आर गोइंग टू डू. कांयच ना, नथींग इज बीन गिवन. सो सांगपा सांगलां. सो पेरंट्सांक आज कळपा बरें वयर सकयल जावपाक कांय गरज ना. पेरंट्सांक भिवपाची गरज ना. NEP is not implemented in Goa.
So I think you're trying to push the NEP too fast, and I think that will be one of the biggest mistakes which the government will do. I think you should implement it in phases, because I know as a matter of fact that even at every level the schools are being pushed. Higher education, including universities, are trying to push NEP down the throat of the educational institutions right now, because it must come gradually, because unless you prepare the base you can't go and suddenly attack it from the top.